So here I am in Leon in a typical kind of market street where you have a lot of activity. There's these guys riding around on these kind of bikes that they can transport you on if you want. I was actually, when I arrived at the bus station, which is just close by here, yesterday, one of the guys was pretty persuasive. I ended up denying and catching a bus to the centre of the city, but he really wanted to take me on his bike. I just got some mandarins from the lady here, up there a little bit further actually. Picked up these guys. Not sure if they're any good. Hopefully they are. They look pretty good though. Yeah, it's all pretty interesting, and it goes back into the area over here a little bit too. Yeah, they've got a real great selection of different fruit and vegetables, all produced locally, I assume. And you've got this this constant flow of traffic and these guys on bikes coming through that you've got to watch out for. It's pretty good stuff. I'm just on the way to a volcano, Tolika volcano, I think it's called. So I'm going to go try and catch a bus to get there. The bus stop's just up here.